This question says find the equation of a straight line passing through the points A with coordinate 6, 5 and the point B with coordinate minus 2, 7. So let me attempt to answer this question right now. Solution to this: the line that we are to find, it is equation passes through 2 points A and B, and the coordinates of those points is given. So let me let x1, y1 to be the coordinate of A, meaning the point A, and let me let x2, y2 to be the coordinate of B, that is x1, y1 is now the same thing as 6, 5, and x2, y2 is now the same thing as minus 2, 7. So I'll now write the formula that I will substitute these two coordinates to give me the straight line. That is the formula for finding equation of a straight line. If 2 points on the line are given, this is the formula. It says y minus y1 equals to x minus x1 multiplied by the fraction y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 simply is the same thing as the slope of the line, that is m. So let me now substitute. From this, x1 is 6, y1 is 5, and x2 is minus 2, and y2 is 7. So I'm now substituting. I'm going to have y minus 5, that is y1 is 5, equals to x minus x1, but x1 is 6, so I have x minus 6 multiplied by y2 minus y1, do I have 7 minus 5 over x2 minus x1, which is the same as minus 2 minus 6. So I will now evaluate to simplify this further. This 7 minus 5 is 2, and minus 2 minus 6 is simply minus 8. So I'm going to have y minus 5 equals to x minus 6 times 2 over minus 8. This simply is the slope of the line that I have, like I have said, change in y over change in x. So I continue reducing 2 over 8 to simpler form. 2 can divide 2 to get 1. 2 divide minus 18 to get minus 4. So I have 1 over 4, that is 1 over minus 4 reduced 2 over 8 to simpler form. So I will now cross multiply. So I'm going to have 4 times y minus 5. So I have 4 into y minus 5 equals to x minus 6 times minus 1. This minus 1 attached to minus 4 is there. I didn't multiply by it, I just multiply by positive 4. So it will remain by that side. So it is going to be minus 1 times x minus 6, where it will change x from positive to negative, and it will change 6 from negative to positive. So I continue. I'll expand this bracket. There I'm going to have 4y minus 20 equals to minus x plus 6. So I will now collect those with x and y, let them be by one separate side. So I'm going to have 4y minus x shifted to the left hand side becomes positive x, and the minus 20 from this left hand side is shifted to the right hand side becomes plus 20, and that 20 plus 6 gives answer 26. So this is the equation of this line that passes through A and B, and the coordinate of A is 6, 5, and the coordinate of B is minus 2, 7. So with that, I have answered this question. What I'll just give you now is the mark distribution for this question according to the official Neco marking scheme. And this is the mark distribution. The very first mark is method mark, and this mark is for substituting in the formula for determining equation of a straight line if 2 points on that line are given, meaning the coordinates of the 2 points. So substituting in that correctly, you have this method 1 mark. Next mark is bonus 1 mark for where you get the slope as minus 1 over 4. Clearing fraction will enable you another method 1 mark when you clear the fraction. So last mark is the accuracy mark when you have the equation of the straight line as 4y plus x equals to 26. So in total this question has 4 good marks.